Let's talk about logistics profit leverage effect. As a supply chain manager, you need to speak the language of finance. Why? The answer is simple. Finance is the language of business. Finance managers hold your organization's purse strings. Whenever you need resources, somebody from finance is going to ask, how is your project going to affect the bottom line? To help you answer this question, you should invest in a little financial intelligence. After all, getting along with your firm's finance people is really quite easy if you speak their language. You simply need to know what motivates them. With this in mind, let's take a look at a simple income statement. An income statement shows how sales translate into income or profit. Imagine you have sales of $100. To find out how much money your company will make, the first thing you need to do is subtract out your cost of goods sold, in this case $70. That leaves a gross profit of $30. Next, you subtract out your logistics and other operating expenses of $22, leaving you an overall operating income of $8, or an 8% profit margin. Now, if your goal is to improve the bottom line, you have three primary levers that you can pull. First, you can grow the top line. That is, you can increase sales. Second, you can reduce the cost of the products and services your company provides. That is, you can reduce COGS, or cost of goods sold. Third, you can cut operating costs. Let's focus on reducing logistics costs. The key point to remember is that every dollar saved by logistics goes straight to the bottom line. If better logistics practices save your company $1, then the entire amount, that is 100 cents, goes straight to the bottom line. By contrast, your colleagues in marketing must sell an additional $12.50 worth of product to have an equivalent profit impact. Why, you ask? Only 8 cents of every sales dollar makes it to the bottom line. The other 92 cents are eaten up by the cost of doing business. How do you arrive at this leverage number? You take the dollar saved by better logistics decisions and divide it by your firm's profit margin. In our simple example, you take $1 divided by 0.08, and that gives you 12.5. Simply put, you would have to sell $12.50 worth of product to have the same impact on operating income as saving just $1 in logistics costs. That's a lot of leverage, and that is the power of logistics profit leverage effect.